Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can fix Discord stuck on the loading screen. So first you want to just go to your task manager by right clicking here, just click on this, and now you want to just go to the search bar and look for Discord. Right here, now you want to just click on it and click on Add Task. Alright, now you can just go to the search bar and look for Discord. Now you want to click Run as Administrator. Click yes, and it should work. But if it's still not working, what you want to do is you want to just go to your settings, and then you want to go to time and language. You want to go to date and time, and you want to turn this on, which is set time zone automatically. Alright, make sure this is turned on as well, and you can sync now. Alright, so now you can just open your Discord again and it should work. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.